In this video, I'm going to answer 10 common questions about alcohol markers while coloring Shoto Todoroki. So, let's get into it. So the first question that I usually get is how much I bought for these alcohol markers. So the answer is, for set of 80 pieces, I bought it for about $16.34, and for the set of 168, I bought it for about $27. So the second question is, are these markers refillable? So the answer is no, it's not refillable. Once it's empty and dry, I just throw it directly. But there are some brands like Copic that is refillable that you can invest on. What is the best set of cheap alcohol markers? Set of 40 pieces, 60, 80, or 168 pieces? In my own opinion, 80 pieces of touch marker is the best set because you will get a decent amount of colors that will be useful in any kind of drawing. So the next question is, what paper I use for alcohol markers? At first, when I'm just starting out, I'm using a normal printer paper. Then I noticed to myself that my coloring skills was improving, and that's the time I bought a Copic paper. How long does these alcohol markers last? In my own experience, I bought these alcohol markers last June 16, 2020, and I use this frequently because this is my first time having an alcohol markers, which I enjoy using it, and until now, November 2021, most of the marker are still working. What does a colorless blender marker do? It's actually used for blending, color fading, and erasing color mistake. So the next question is, are these alcohol markers can blend? The answer is yes, it's actually blend, and these are the examples. The next question is, do alcohol markers fade? The answer is, it's depend. When your artwork is exposed to the sunlight, heat, humidity, then for sure it's gonna fade so fast. Can you do color layering using alcohol markers? The answer is yes, you can do a layer coloring. Just make sure to use the light color first. So the last question is, are these markers worth it? The answer is absolutely yes, it's worth it, especially for those beginners who want to try the alcohol markers for the first time. These are all the 10 questions about alcohol markers, and I hope you find it helpful. So enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters. This video is pretty much done, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video.